So, yeah, I know you saw the title of this video and you're probably wondering why is this guy saying that if you try to double your account you will fail, because that is the truth, bro. Do not try to double your account. You are not a genius. I know you have seen people saying they will double their account like 100 times. Guys, don't do that. Do not try to do that. Professional traders are not doing that and they are even making more money than you. Okay? Do not try to double your account. See, when you try to double your account, do you know what you're actually doing? You are saying you want to make 100% on your account. And most of you haven't tried to do that in a month. How is that possible? The most profitable traders, like on average, they make like 3 to 7% every month. That is really profitable traders. They make like 3 to 7%, and here you are a newbie. You want to double your account. You want to make 100% in a month. Don't do that, bro. Save money. Get yourself a funded account. I know many of you will go to the comment section and say, "Oh, no, my mentor used to do this." Bro, you're not your mentor, and you don't know how many accounts your mentor blew before he doubled the account, right? If you're a newbie and you want to be successful, you want to make money, you don't just want to dash the broker money, go and get yourself a funded account, right? If you have like $50, you can get a funded account and you'll be able to trade it. Yes, there's a challenge you meet, but that is just 10%. If you can really double your account, what is 10% that you cannot make? Think am now. What is 10%? And when you are trading with a prop firm, what you are really doing, you'll be trading, you'll be thinking like a professional trader, you'll be risking like a professional trader, and then you'll be able to scale like a professional trader. How realistic is it to double account? How realistic? You sef think about it now. If truly your mentor or that person you're looking up to is able to double his forex account consistently, by now he will be a trillionaire now. Think about it. You should stop being gullible. Don't be gullible, guys. Don't be gullible. Do not try to double your account. You will just fail. They will eat your money. Be wise. Get yourself a prop challenge. Pass it. Make 1 or 2%. Get payout. If you buy a 5K challenge now, a 5K challenge is like $50 or even less. Nowadays you can even get the 5K challenge lesser than $50. If you get that 5K challenge now, $50, if you pass it, if you can make just 1% or even 2% on your $50 account, you get back $100. 1% of 5K account is $50. 2% is $100. So think about it. Instead of trying to make 100% on your small account, carry that same money, get a prop challenge, make up to 10%. If it's a two-phase challenge, they will tell you to make 10% and 5%. That's still 15%. Compare 15% to 100% that you are trying to make with your small account. Many of you are just gullible. Don't be gullible. When I realized this, I sat down, I asked myself, come, if I had $50 now, if I'm able to double that account, I will make $100. And to double my $50, I have to make 100% of my account. Why don't I just buy a prop challenge, maybe 5K, right? Carry that same $50, buy a prop challenge, then make 10%. Instead of 100%, make 10%, phase 2, make 5%. Then if I can make just 10% or even 1 or 2%, I will still get $100. So you now you are there trying to make 100% on your account, you will end up with $50 addition to your money. $50 addition. If you have $50 account and you make and you double it, your balance now will be $100, abi. If you take that same $50 and you buy a prop challenge, you make 15% of that challenge, you get the live account. You make 1 or 2%, 2% profit in your life account, that's $100. If the company remove $20 from it, because these companies will give you 80% profit split, so if they remove 80 if they remove 20% of whatever profit you make, they will give you $80. You still earn more than if you are trying to double your account, and you will not be risking like when you are using your small account. There's some certain risks that you take with your small account, you go just blow. You cannot trade gold, you cannot trade better currency. If you use high risk, because when you try to double, you must use high risk. If you use that high risk, the likelihood of you blowing the account is very, very high. Guys, you guys should think about this. It's newbie traders that they can deceive like this. Except you are a newbie trader. If you're not a newbie trader, you are still thinking, oh, I want to double my account, I want to double my account. Bro, you're just wasting your time. Think like a professional. Think like a professional, guys. Bye.